So today I'm helping out a friend that's installing a geothermal system. So we're gonna start out by digging a trench away from the building so that we can get going on the core drill. There's gonna be 4 pipes that need to go through this foundation. So this is the remnants of the rock when the well drillers drilled the hole. We're actually going to use this as like a base to put underneath of the pipes so that it doesn't get damaged by rocks. So this stuff is almost like sand, so it works out perfect. And it was already on site, so we're going to use it. So I'm just pushing it out of the way so that I don't have to get it mixed up with the other piles. And then we will use it later on. All right, guys, I did what I could here, but we hit bedrock. Now this is a closed loop system. We're gonna put insulation on it. Even though it'll have antifreeze, if it freezes, it's just gonna be less efficient. So there's 2 wells here. These pipes go about 300 feet deep, and then they get filled up with this grout that's made out of like a graphite type material. And they fill the grout up, and there it is right there. It always stays wet. So these pipes go down and then back up again. The well drillers said that they did not really hit water, even at 300 feet. So it was good that we didn't do like an open loop system, because then they would need to drill down a lot further. So the way that it works is these pipes twist around this corrugated pipe on the inside. And so when they put this down, when the well drillers put this down into the hole, they fill this corrugated pipe up, which has holes in it. They fill that up with the grout and they pump it down into it, and it spreads around these twisters. And so it just sort of fills up everything around it. And what it does is it makes it easier to transfer the heat from the ground into these pipes via the grout. So it's very interesting. Eric finished it up for me. He backfilled it and graded it out. Looks pretty good. So you notice that the well casing isn't here anymore. So basically what he does is the well drillers left like a 6-foot section of the PVC well casing, and so he just took it out and folded the pipes over, and that way there's nothing sticking out of the ground. So after this, Eric is going to do a video about installing the rest of the system. I'm going to link him in the description, and hopefully you guys will follow along with him.